Congratulations.
Hello po.
I like your shirt.
Oh, thank you. I like yours too.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Hi!
Hi po.
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Jason JC Vergara po.
So, anong yung biggest issue mo ngayon?
The bullies that are telling me that I'm too fat and no one would like me, pero...
Where are they? You show me right now.
Wag, baka bugbugin nyo eh. Pero I don't let them get in my way.
Good boy.
I still sing good.
That's a great attitude to have. So, bullies in school or cyberbullying or
Everywhere. Anyone who would look at my face and my body, and I don't know, pero...
Jason, there's only one like you.
Yes.
You're an original.
Siyempre.
Diba? Use that bulliness to make yourself stronger. I've been bullied my whole life, and look at me now. I'm still bullied.
I'm still bullied.
Pero the
Bamboo
bullied
bullies me
concert...
all the time.
Yeah.
Bakit, sir? Pogi mo naman eh.
Coach, ginanon ka niya. Gantihan mo naman. Ginanon ka niya.
What's that?
This
Finger
one.
heart.
Oh,
He did it to you.
It's just
not
2
me.
fingers.
Di ba sa kanya mo
Just go
ginawa?
like
Sabi
this.
mo, finger heart.
You did it to me?
Oh, gantihan mo.
Oh,
Finger heart.
I'm not gonna do a figure heart.
Finger heart.
I don't do figure hearts.
It's so rock and roll.
No, I don't. I just say,
Finger.
no. Not happening. Not happening. Not happening.
Finger. Here we go. 1. There it is!
Thank
You did the impossible!
Ibubuli ko to mamaya. Oh, Casey, are you done, Casey?
Ay,
Go
hindi
ahead.
pa po.
Go ahead, Casey.
Yun talaga kasi yung priority
Yun
ko
ang gusto mo lang
na
talaga.
finger heart ka. Ay, sorry po. Nagkabaliktad pa. Sobrang liwanag mo. Parang pag ikaw yung sobrang umuulan, tapos biglang umaraw, ikaw yun. Kaya siguro binubuli ka nila kasi they don't have your shine.
Yes, madilim sila.
Ay. And tandaan mo na lang, the reason why these bullies are pulling you down is because you're above them. Just show them na pag mabuti kang tao, may mga mabuting bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. Like, kung ano man ang nangyari sa'yo ngayon. Look at you now. You have the Coach Bamboo.
Camp Kawayan. That's where you're going.
Oo. Pero hindi na nga importante bakit hindi ako nag-turn eh. Kasi I think you have the perfect coach for you. Congratulations.
Cool. Thank you very much. Thank
You
you
will
for saying
beat up
that.
all your bullies.
Tsaka ginanong ka niya, hindi niya ginagawa yun. First time yun sa 29 years.
Yes. History.
Sorry, Coach.
Oh, what's
May
going on?
nakarinig po kasi ng kwento nyo. Lalo-lalo kwento ni Jaser.
Hello po, magandang gabi. Hi! Hi!
Now you're in trouble.
Hi, Jason!
Jason, you're in trouble now.
Ang galing-galing mo! Ang galing mo, ang ganda-ganda ng boses mo.
Thank you po.
Oo, at ang kulay-kulay ng damit mo. Oo, how are you? How are you feeling? Are you happy?
Yes po, si Coach Bamboo.
Oo. Di na tayo aarte, no? Umikot sa'yo si Coach Bamboo. Kaya kay Coach Bamboo ka lang makikinig. Huwag ka na makinig kay Casey at kay Sir Martin. Hindi ka nga nila tinalikuran, eh. Hindi,
God.
joke lang. Masaya akong masaya ka. Stay happy at huwag kang papayag na yung happiness na yan at tsaka yung smile mo ay maagaw o mananakaw ng sino man.
Yes.
Pag nanonood kasi ako sa kanila, yung mga bata na nag-audition, kumakanta, nananalo, naiinggit ako, lalo na pagkasama yung mga magulang. Kasi ganyan din ako dati. Nung bata ako, gusto kong sumali sa isang singing contest sa lunch date. Tapos sinasabi ko sa nanay ko lagi, gusto ko sumali dyan, audition tayo, Nay. Tapos sabi ng nanay ko, sige, dadaling kita. Tapos napanood ko na lang na grand finals na. Tapos umiiyak ko, sabi ko, na grand finals na hindi mo ko sinamahan. Kasi di ba maraming rason ng mga magulang ko bakit hindi sila nakakasuporta sa'yo agad sa pangarap mo. Pwedeng wala silang pamasahe, ang dami nilang ginagawa, naglalaba sila. Pero ikaw na nandito ka ngayon, kasama mo yung mga magulang mo, you are so blessed. Diba, yung support ang gusto mong makuha, ibinibigay sa'yo ng mga magulang mo. Be very grateful to your parents. Achieve your dreams for yourself because your dreams and your achievements are their achievements as well.
That's right. Amen.
Okay? Be happy. I love your smile.
I love you too.
Oh, we love each other.
Thank you, Vice.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Tapos mamaya ako na mag-audition.
Can you do me a favor? Can you just put this on him?
Ay, alam mo ba, nung bata ako, ang dami kong nagawa sa ganito. Nagawa ko tong gown dati.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Dad. Ako maglalagay sa kanya.
Yeah, just say welcome to Camp Kawayan. That's it. Let's go. Let's just do this.
Welcome to Camp Kawayan.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Nautusan ka pa, Ate
Behalf of
Vice.
Sir Bamboo,
And yourself. Thank you for saying what you said. Let's
welcome
go.
to Camp Kawayan.
There you go. What do you have to say? The voice? Come on, Jazer.
Bye.